Do you ever feel like that despite of having a good keyword list, you are still getting lots of irrelevant search terms and hence no conversions? Well, the reason might be the wrong match types. So welcome to the episode 2 of Google match types, and today we'll talk about phrase match keywords. What is phrase match keywords? For example, your keyword is running shows. So you add by show for men running shows, women running shows for kids, which indicates that phrase match brings a targeted traffic to your campaign. Now, by this definition comes the benefits of phrase match. Number 1, you will get more qualified leads because the traffic is targeted. Number 2, because the traffic is targeted, you will have less wasted budget. Number 3, you will have more control over the quality of traffic because you will have a greater control on your traffic, because unlike broad match, you are putting a restriction on the search terms. Now, how to master phrase match with these simple tips? Use negative keywords. Now, for example, your keyword is running shoes, so you might not want to trigger your ad on the keywords like shoe repair or shoe laces, etc. So you can put those keywords in negative list. Other thing that you can do is that combine phrase match with other match types like broad and exact. So the broad match will bring you more traffic, phrase match will get you a sweet spot, and exact match will bring traffic on your key terms. So the conclusion is that if you are getting irrelevant search terms and no conversion in your ads, so you might want to try changing your match types from broad to phrase and try testing it with manual bits and automated bit strategies and see how it goes for you. And I hope it helps. In next episode of Google Ads match types, we will talk about exact match keywords. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye.